Today we are going to find an area of a triangle. Area means amount of the space in a shape. Amount of the space in a shape. In triangles, this is the point you have to keep it in mind. Area means base into height divided by 2. We are going to find an area of a triangle. You have to apply this base into height divided by 2. We'll see the first triangle here. That is the base. Base means 10 centimeters into height. Height 8 centimeters divided by 2. Then 8 into 10, 80 centimeters, 80 square centimeters divided by 2. Answer is 40 square centimeters. That is the area of first triangle. Then the second one, that is first one, second triangle, area equals to base, that means 21 centimeters into 8 centimeters divided by 2. 21 into 8, that means 168 square centimeters divided by 2. That means 84 square centimeters. That is the area of this second triangle. Then the third triangle, area is, base is 6 centimeters, height is 5 centimeters into divided by 2. Then 5 into 6 is 30 square centimeters divided by 2. That means 15 square centimeters.